one of the projects that I have within my chat is a coach. Actually, I have a category of coaches. There's many, many coaches in my projects, and I have numerous coaches. One of them is my workout coach. And when I'm done on my phone, I just hit the speaker and tell it what I'm doing for reps, what I'm doing for weight, what I'm doing for exercise, and it logs all of that for me. And here's what else I do, guys. I take a photo of my meal. If I'm out, I do track my calories because I'm happen to be in a macro intense environment right now. I probably have the cleanest bill of health I've had in my life at the age of 59 because of it. So it's kind of working. So I take if I'm at a restaurant or outside my normal environment and not able to track the meal or the calories in my Fitness Pal, then I just take a photo of it. And do you know, by uploading a photo into chat into my coach, it estimates the calories, it estimates the macros, and it adds it to my Fitness Pal. So that's how I'm bolting AI onto health. Relationships, it helps me through conversations. As far as personal development, it is in and of itself. One of the pillars itself is learning AI. My wealth, I just showed you how I'm using it as my CFO. As far as contribution goes, it's how, honestly, I do a devotional on my Mexico trips. When I go down there, I do some teaching in the mornings. We have a really, really good time with it. And I made a devotional brochure or booklet, and it helped me walk through it. It helped me translate it into Spanish so that all of our Spanish speaking only participants or more people more comfortable with Spanish could participate. So I'm using AI in every one of the pillars.